Hi and welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be everything that I have made for January, and I will start with what I'm wearing. Okay. Also, I'm going to try to keep this video short, so if I'm talking fast, that's why. But anyways, I made this sweatshirt, and it's just a quilt block on a Walmart sweatshirt, and I attached it with chunky binding, and I made it out of scraps. And I really love the way that it turned out. And I have wore it a lot, so I think I'm going to be making more of these. And then my friend asked me to make one for her too, which is what started the whole thing. And so I made her one, and she picked out the colors and the block and everything that she wanted to have, and this is what it looks like. A little closer. Okay, so I made that one for her, and I hope she likes it. And then I made my sister, she won a Instagram giveaway with some fabric from Fancy That Designs, I think is what it's called. I'll have to look at it. But anyways, and she gave me some of the scraps for that. And it's a line that's not out yet, but it's coming out soon, and you can get it on, like, there's a link for it. I'll put it below. So you can order the fabric, but it's not actually out yet. And it's all of these. So I made the Sewing Illustrations bag, the crossbody weekend bag maybe. And I use all different colors. And then the inside, some like these little animals. I don't know if it's gonna see. And then the back. So I made that, and I used rose gold zippers for that. So I made that this month, and I love this. My daughter's already claimed it as hers. And then I made a hack of the Phoebe dress. I think I was wearing this in one of the other videos, but I just hacked it into a top so that I could wear it with jeans. And I'll insert a clip of me wearing this now so that you can see what it looks like. So the only thing I changed is I just cut the skirt shorter. So I measured down 12 inches, and then I did a 1/2 inch hem on the bottom. So I just turned it up once. The only thing is I lined it with this white fabric because I didn't have enough of this fabric, and so I can only wear it tied up, which is kind of a bummer, but it's still wearable. And I still wear it, so just next time I will use the same as the outer for that part. And then second, I made this is the Priscilla dress. This is our next pattern that's coming out. And I just made the second version of it that's shorter. And here's the back of it. This one is not in my size. This is in someone else's size, but I will include a little video of it if I haven't already popped it up. Of this one, and this is a fabric that we have in the shop. I love this fabric. I think I'm gonna swipe a little bit more for myself and make another one of these for me, because I think that this fabric would look really good just with flip-flops in the summer, and it's super bright and colorful, so I really like it. Yeah, so I made that one this month, and then this is the last thing that I made to wear. I made this, it's just a kimono, and it's out of the fabric that I was going to make the jacket out of, the vintage pattern from a couple months ago, I think November or December. It was a December video when I was planning stuff, and I didn't have enough to make the jacket that I wanted to, so I just instead used the I used the Sylvia robe pattern from Sew Over It, and I just made the arms a little shorter, and I made the length. So the pattern comes in a long length and then a cropped length, and I did in between the two, and I made it that size. So, and then also I made this bit here just a little bit narrow, more narrow than the pattern because I didn't have enough fabric, and I actually had to piece it. So I had to piece it here and again on this side because I didn't have enough fabric for this either. But I did end up using this pretty fabric and I love it. And I can't wait till, you know, the summertime so I can just wear this with shorts and a tank top. Anyway, so, and then did on another quilt block for a sweatshirt because it seems to be something that I think I'm gonna like. And I wanted to try one of the paper piecing patterns because I've never made one of those and they look like a puzzle and I like puzzles, so I thought I would like it, and it's okay. I don't know that I'll make another one because it was time consuming and a little bit tedious, but I love the way that it looks. So I used this pattern and I got this off Etsy. It's Tartan Kiwi, I guess is the name of the company, but it's just a bird, and I'll put a link to the pattern in the description box for this. And I was gonna make a top, you know, like a block to put on a sweatshirt or something, but I don't think that I don't think it would like hold up to washing a lot, so I'm just gonna make a throw pillow. That way I don't have to wash it as much. At least I think I'm gonna make a throw pillow. It might be a quilt because I actually think that this would look really pretty with just some solid blocks around it and a couple of the cathedral window blocks, and then just make a really fancy quilt out of it. But this is what it looks like. I missed a spot. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but I did. I missed a spot here. And so I'm gonna have to go back and figure out how to do that. See, you can see my thumb. See there. I'm gonna have to go back and just fix that little part. And then also right here was supposed to be pink fabric, but I accidentally used the wrong color for the bird's body. So maybe I should embroider that whole tail pink, I was kind of thinking, and that would fix the hole too, but then that's pretty time consuming and I don't know if I want to spend that much time on it. But then I have spent that much time already. So I know I should finish the Christmas quilt too. I already remember that, but I haven't. And so I should start a new one. I mean, I shouldn't, but I'm going to. So anyways, so that's this. And I really, really love it. And all the fabric that I used in this was from a scrap pack that I got from Southern Charm Quilts. And it's all her fabric. So yeah, it's just really pretty fabric. I love her fabric colors. And then for the last things that I've made, I've been working on the drawstring bags. So I already gave one away to someone, but actually to the friend, and that's how we got the quilt sweatshirt thing started. So here's the first one. And then I made this one, and then they're waterproof on the inside, both of them, so they're wet bags. And I made them to go along with the pads that I'm making for the Uganda sew along thing. And so I made them to go along with these pads so that they could be like a little set for someone, because I thought that would be really cute. And so they have like the matching fabrics to go with their little wet bags, you know. So I thought it would be fun. And so I've been making lots of these pads. So these are the ones that I have made so far, right here. And yeah, so there's this one, this one, and this one. This one's my favorite because it's dinosaurs. And let's see. Oh, and this is another one of the fabrics that my sister gave me from the thing she won. And this is the last colors that I made. And this is a Liberty lawn print. So I have this many done so far. Some of them need their snaps put on, but that's okay. I can do that pretty quickly. It won't take long because I have a whole bucket ready to go. And yeah, so that's everything that I have made for the month of January, and I will link all the fabrics and patterns in the description box. And thanks for watching. Bye.